Hello everyone. Now we will see another problem. We have some teams, some cricket teams here. Okay. So I have created a teams table and I have added some values to it. So if we check the teams, then this is my teams. So what is the final requirement is we have to do a team fixture. Okay, how we have to do a team fixtures. Like CSK should have a fixture with DC. CSK should have a fixture with RCB. Okay, CSK should have a fixture with KKR. So like that, we require the fixtures. Okay, but here one problem is there that CSK should not be fixtured with CSK. DC should not be fixtured with DC. So that condition is there. Initially, we will work it out like how it is possible. We will see. First of all, what I will do is already our select statement is there. In this case, what we have to do, we have to join the teams table with teams table, which we'll call it as self join. I'll write as select t1 dot team comma t2 dot team. Okay, team is our column, right? From team as t1. Okay, we'll do cross join. Okay, team t. Okay, what we are doing is cross join. Let's see what is the output. Okay, team is not our teams is our table name. Sorry, okay, team is our column name. Now if you see, we have got two tables. Two columns, which is team and team. What we can do is we can do concat, right? We can do concat of t1 comma we can do versus comma t. Now we will get a better clarity on this. Okay, now if you see picture, I will run and see. Okay, now if you see the CSK is fixturing with CSK, which is not possible. Okay, so what we can do is order by. Now we will run the statement and check. CSK is not possible. CSK DC is possible. CSK KKR is possible. CSK, okay, these things are possible, but again DC is not possible. Okay, we will use where clause here, where t1 dot team be less than t2 dot. Just need to run this one. Now if you see CSK versus DC, CSK versus KKR, CSK versus LSG, CSK versus RC, this is fine. If you see the DC also, okay, this is fine. The DC is already committing with CSK, so CSK will not come into picture. And here, same here also. The KKR is already have a match with DC and CSK, so it will not get repeated here. So LSG versus RCB. Okay, LSG versus, so already the RCB has got all these things, so that's why we are getting only one. So this is how we will make the fixtures. The output is correct. Okay, if you see the output, it is correct. Okay, this is how we will make the fixtures when we have only a single table. Single table is converted into self join and we have given the less than condition. By this we have got the correct fixtures. So if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button.